Welcome to
English Language Learners KZ.
English Conversation Practice.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. What about you?
I'm good too. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do. I like pictures.
That's nice. What kind of pictures do you like?
I like nature pictures, trees and flowers.
Oh, that's interesting. Where do you take these pictures?
I take them in the park near my house.
That sounds nice. Do you use your phone?
Yes, I use my phone. It's easy.
I use my phone too. Do you edit your photos?
Sometimes, I make them colorful.
Cool. I don't edit mine. Do you share them online?
Yes, I share them on social media.
I like seeing your pictures. What's your favorite photo?
My favorite is a sunset photo.
Sunsets are beautiful. Can you show me?
Sure, I'll show you later.
Thanks. Do you take photos of people?
Sometimes, family and friends.
Nice. I like family photos. Do you have a camera?
No, I only have my phone.
Phones are great for pictures. How often do you take photos?
I take photos on weekends.
That's a good time. I take them on holidays.
Holidays are fun for photos. Where do you go?
I go to the beach or mountains.
Beach and mountains have nice views.
Yes, they do. Do you print your photos?
No, I keep them on my computer.
That's a good idea. I print some photos.
Printing photos is nice too. Do you have a favorite photo?
Yes, it's a picture of my family.
Family photos are special. Can I see it?
Of course, I'll show you right now.
Thanks, I'd love to see it.